Hey, Ethan, Dublin here from Dublin AK Systems. Today we're looking at the Ratchet charging system here. This is a regular Worcester 10. It's kind of a low-end Kalashnikov. Anybody can buy it. We're going to go ahead and do a little torture test here. We're going to load it up and put some sand on it. Put some earplugs on here. Put our safety on. Yeah, it ought to be good, just to give you a good idea. Go ahead and take the safety off. And that's really all there is to it. As you can see, it's a very durable part that you can get for any Kalashnikov. And you can visit us at www.dublinaksystems.com.